In this video, you'll learn how to connect VS Code to Cursor.AI so you can start using AI assistants directly inside your editor. We'll go through everything step by step, from opening Visual Studio Code to installing the extension to finding and opening the Cursor.AI sidebar. By the end, you'll be ready to explore Cursor.AI's features on your own. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer and that you can open it normally. Go ahead and launch VS Code the same way you usually do, either from your desktop, your applications folder, or a shortcut on your taskbar or dock. Once VS Code is open, give it a moment to fully load your last project or a new empty window. It's always a good idea to start from a clean, focused workspace so you can clearly see any new panels or sidebars that appear. Next, we're going to open the Extensions panel. This is where you can search for and manage all the add-ons that extend VS Code's functionality, including Cursor.AI. Look toward the left-hand side of the window where you'll see a vertical activity bar with several icons. One of those icons looks like building blocks or squares. That is the extensions view. You can click that icon, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl, Shift, and X together on your keyboard. On some systems, this might be Command, Shift, and X, but the idea is the same. It opens the extensions panel. Once the extensions view is open, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can type the name of any extension you want to find. Click in that search box and type Cursor.AI. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right extension appears in the results. After a moment, you should see Cursor.AI listed, usually near the top of the search results. Take a quick look at the extension name and publisher to confirm that it's the official Cursor.AI extension and not something unrelated. When you've found the correct Cursor.AI extension, click on it to open its details page in the main editor area. Here, you can see a description, screenshots, and reviews, which can help you confirm you're installing the right tool. On this page, look for the Install button, typically located near the top left of the extension details. Click Install, and Visual Studio Code will start downloading and installing the Cursor.AI extension. This process usually only takes a few seconds, but it can take a little longer depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, VS Code may show a brief notification confirming that the extension has been installed successfully. In many cases, you won't need to restart VS Code, but if something looks off or the extension doesn't appear, closing and reopening VS Code can help refresh everything. Now that Cursor.AI is installed, the last step is to open the Cursor.AI sidebar. Look again at the left-hand activity bar where your Explorer, Search, Source Control, and Extensions icons are located. After installing Cursor.AI, you should see a new icon associated with it. Click that icon to open the Cursor.AI sidebar. This sidebar is where you'll interact with the AI, configure settings, and access its main features within your current project. At this point, you've successfully connected VS Code to Cursor.AI, you've opened VS Code, gone to the extensions panel, searched for Cursor.AI and installed it, and finally opened the Cursor.AI sidebar. From here, you can start exploring its options, customizing your preferences, and integrating AI into your everyday coding workflow.